Hi, this is Loren Bauman from Jared's Nursery Gift and Garden in Littleton, Colorado. Today I'm here to help you replace your sod in an irregular shaped area. A couple things you're going to need: pencil, paper, and a tape measure. When you get to measuring the area for your sod, whether it is a large area like your whole yard or a small area like we have in front of us here, the principles are all the same. You're going to want to use 4 basic shapes to determine how much square footage you have. So you've got your square that you do side times side. You have your rectangle that you do length times width. You have your triangle that you do 1/2 base times height. And then finally you have your circle, which is pi r squared, or in this case it's going to be radius times 3.14. What we've got laid out here today is to make it nice and simple. Most yards and most areas that need to be replaced with sod are not normal. We do not live in a square world. So what we have here is we've broken this down into a rectangle and half circles on the ends. This allows us to get our square footage, whether again it's your whole yard or just this small area. So again, what I would do in this instance is do your length times your width. Okay, that's going to give me my square footage for this main area here. Then, as you can see here, I have 4 different areas. 2 of them are mapped out. These are your half circles. So what we're going to do is figure out the square footage for these outlying areas and then add that to the rectangle. To do on a half circle, you're going to do your square footage for a circle, but then you're going to divide it by 2. So you're going to do radius times 3.14. That's your square footage of a full circle. Divide it in half. That's going to give you your different areas. Add these all together. So if I had my 4 half circles with my rectangle, that's going to give me my square footage for this little area that I have here. It also applies to your entire yard where you have your outside edges and weird shapes that you have your benches and everything else in. So it's nice and simple. Remember, it's not hard, but you just take your time, use your pencil and paper, write down your measurements, take it to your sod company, and your project can be done nice and simple. Again, this is Loren Bauman at Jared's Nursery Gift and Garden, thanking you for watching on how to replace your sod in an irregular shaped area.